Okay, let's talk about the new Pro X series from Beyerdynamic. Now, we had the great opportunity to work with Beyerdynamic on this launch, and I'm not biased, they're just really nice people to work with, making nice products. Many of you will know that I've been using Beyerdynamic headphones for many, many years. In fact, I'd like to say decades. So I have had the DT770s planted on my head for probably since I came out the womb, actually. But now, for the first time, I have new headphones. Can you see those shiny new headphones? The DT700 Pro X from Beyerdynamic. A new updated logo, a new feel. And I will say, out of the Pro X launch series, there are 4 new products we're going to talk about. Out of them all, these are my favorite. Now, they cost a little bit more than the DT770s I used to wear, the 250 ohm edition, by the way, the studio edition, but they sound amazing. Just the moment I put these on, I was like, oh wow, this is full, this is present, this is frankly amazing. They also look better, and to top it all, they feel more comfortable. Like the little muff foam thingies, they feel more comfortable. When I put my old DT770s, yes, I had bashed them around a bit. They felt kind of looser on my head. These feel nice and stable, and I feel like I could wear them for quite a few hours producing audio. I'm thrilled, by the way, I don't know if you can see it, but this cable here is detachable, so I can take it out and swap it out. And what is really cool about these new headphones, these will probably be my new headphones now on live streams and things like that. What is really cool about them is they have interchangeable leads, so you can have a 3-meter lead or a 1-meter lead, which is really amazing because in my studio, my box of headphone amp thingies is like meters away. So I use 3 meters. Whereas Isabella has another product on her head. Here she is with the fantastic DT900 Pro X headphones.
Ooh, check me out.
And she's using the 1-meter cable.
And I love that.
Yeah.
Can I just say, I love that. I used to have a cable trailing all the way down and catching
all
on
around
my drawers and stuff.
Behind your
this
chair.
Is perfect.
You'd roll it over a few times. Now, let me tell you the difference between closed back and open back headphones, just in case you're wondering, because these are very much content creator kind of headphones. So if you're a content creator, if you're a podcaster, well, let me just clear it up for you straight away. You want to get the DT700 Pro X, the closed back headphones. Reason for that is you're recording something, you don't want audio bleeding out of your headphones and getting picked up by your microphone. So they're great for recording podcasts, shows, doing live stuff. Whereas the open backs that Isabella is currently wearing, look at those, modeling them there. Look at that. You can see they're open back. They have like grills in each side, whereas I do not have grills in my headphones. They're better for like critical mixing. So if you are a music producer, if you're putting together jingles, you're making audio, then the open back are better for you. But if you're a podcaster or a live streamer, the closed back, so the 700 Pro X, basically they're the ones to go for. But if you're doing critical mixing,
clearly, I'm doing a lot of critical mixing.
Yes, Isabella. We might try and hook you up with some 700 Pro X's.
Yes, no, I will. But this is just to demonstrate. And they are really comfortable. I do like how they sit on your ears. They are just nice. But to me, the killer feature is this, to be fair.
Yeah.
They're short.
But don't just buy them because they got a cool cable. They sound better. They're more comfortable. These are going to be my new go-to headphones. So I just want to say my DT770s, the old ones, they're not going in the bin. Don't worry. I'll have them as backup headphones. I still love the DT770 Pros, by the way. But now we have the DT700 Pro X. These are my new go-to. The headphones are definitely my favorite part of the launch. But wait, there's more.
It gets
There is
better.
more. And these have been around since about the start of October 2021. By the way, they're on Amazon, they're everywhere, they're even on Beyerdynamic's site, so you can see all the products. So there's 2 headphones, and they also have microphones for, again, you can see here very much front and center, these products are made for content creators, and we're using all Beyerdynamic on this stream just because we want to. They didn't pay us to use these products on our live stream, by the way. We just decided to do it. And I got to say that, well, first of all, I'm using this one, which is the M90 Pro X condenser microphone. And I think it sounds amazing for the price point. And Isabella Isabella is using the dynamic microphone because she's got a bit of a bigger room, a bit of echo going on there, and it doesn't have so much. It doesn't pick up so much of your room noise. Frankly, it's much better than your old, very, very expensive $1,000 condenser microphone because it rejects a lot of that room echo.
It does. And one of my pain points with the previous microphone was the fact that I just kept knocking it off, whereas this is designed to just sit in front of you, and actually you can just move it around. It's very sturdy, especially the what do you call it? The
the thing.
The thing that holds
the bit.
The microphone.
Very professional.
The bit that holds the microphone. The microphone is not going to fall out of it, whereas in the previous...
shock mount, you mean, Isabella?
The shock mount. That's the one. The shock mount. It's very... It feels very solid. And I think that that's important because if you are going to move the microphone up and down, and the microphone is not in the standard position all the time, then you may want to consider a microphone that has a very good shock mount.
Absolutely. So to wrap up, the Pro X series from Beyerdynamic come with a big thumbs up from both of us. We love them and, definitely going to be using the headphones. We'll keep trialing the mics as well. I know we have an endless supply of mics here at MRC, but I'm liking what I like my condenser microphone. I think it sounds good. And I the best thing is I can use it for streaming, but I can also get closer and do voiceover as well. And obviously that's a great thing. So you make up your own mind, but yeah, you can go check them out. They are on Amazon, all the products. Price point seems to be just shy of $300 for the headphones, $300 for the condenser microphone, the M70 Pro X, and around $350 for the condenser, the M90 Pro X microphone. So go check them out. It is the new Pro X series from Beyerdynamic.
Thumbs up, subscribe for more. MusicRadioCreative.com